heavy multiplication lecture. Where to start on the abacus main point? First point is this is an unit place. This point, the middle point, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is your middle point where we always do the unit place where we start all the addition, subtraction, everything, right? So for doing multiplication, we also take again answer. We'll put the answer on this from the unit place, and first point, number of from where to start. We'll start from left to right, left to right, right? And the place we need to start, we need to take number of digit 3 and 2 is 2 digits. Here I'll consider not one number. We'll take in the total how many digit, 1 and 2, that is 2 digits. Okay, so we'll start from the second place, 1 and 2, the number of digits 2. So I will start from the second place. Second question, 36 into 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, right? 3 digits. So I'll start the question from putting my answering from 1, 2, 3, from the third place. This is again 1, 2, 3, 3 digits number. So I'll start from the same 1, 2, 3, third, hundreds place. I'm putting my answer 100 place. Okay. Similarly, if the question is 7, 2, 2 into 2, the number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So I'll start from the fourth place, 1, 2, 3 and 4. From here we'll start putting our answer. Okay. And if it is similarly 72 into 72, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4 digits. So we'll start from 1, 2, 3, 4. From fourth place we'll start. Okay, this is your unit place. Mark it. Okay, got it? Now, point comes. We'll first solve one question, that is 36 into 3, and I'll explain how to do it. 36 into 6, 3 into 3. This first point I told you from where to start. First point, this is your first point from where we need to start, that is number of digits 1, 2, 3. So I'll start from 1, 2, 3. From this place I'll start. Okay, now 100 place is final. Now second point is 3 into 3 is, it is 9, right? For we will not take any single digit number. We always make it a 2 digit number. For 9, if you want to make it 2 digit number, I have nothing. I will place 0. The 0 have no value, right? So we'll put 0 and 9 instead of only putting 9. Okay. Second example I'll say, this is 2 digit number. It is okay. I will not make it 3 digit number. I'll only put it as it is. But if it is a 1 digit number, I need to add 0 and put it 0 and 9. See the example now. 3 into 3 is 9. We need to start from third place. This is third place, right? 100. 3 into 3 is 9. 0 here and 9 on this row. 0 on this and 9 on the light gone. So for 3 and 3, 9, 0 and 9, I'll put 2 digit numbers, 0 on the hundreds place and 9 on the tens place. Then we have 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. It is a 2 digit number. So we'll put as it is. Where to put? That is, we had moved from here to here, right? One place. So here we'll move. We were here. We started from here 0 and 9. So we'll start from the second row only. That is 1. We add 8 tens on the tens place and 8 on the unit place. For adding 10 on the tens place, what is the formula? Plus 100 minus 90, and for 8 it is direct. Got it? So answer will be 108. Okay. Now the second example we'll take. Okay. Same question. I'm taking 74 into 2. How to do? 1 2 3, 3-digit number. So 1 2 3. We'll start from the third hundreds place. 7 into 2 is 14. It is right. We'll put as it is. 1 and 4, 14, and then 4 into 2, it is 8. So we need to make it 0 8 0, and we moved one place. From here we moved one place. Here we need to put here 0 on the tens place and 8 on the unit place. So answer is 1. I'll repeat again. 7 into 2 is 14. 1's on the 100 place, as the number of digits are 3. We start from the third place, that is 1 and 4, 14. Then we have 4 into 2 is 8. We'll put 0 on the next place and 8 on the other.